Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your BeautiPad Plus monitor. Alright, so first things first, what you want to do is get some sort of mouse connected to the monitor in the back. So in the back here, we have different USB ports where you can plug in a USB thumb drive, but we're going to plug in a mouse. Just any wired mouse or wireless mouse would do just fine. And then from there, after you connected that, what you'll want to do is go over to your Windows settings. So just like a Windows computer, you're going to go to the bottom left, settings, and then you want to go to system. So in the system, you'll go to display. So from the display, all you have to do is just scroll down just a little bit, and there you have your display resolution. So on here, it's showing 540 by 1920 pixels. So that's the dimensions for this monitor here. So from there, you can take those dimensions and put it into, let's say, Canva, Photoshop, or some video editing software that you're going to be using for this monitor. Okay, so once you have your image or your video that you want to display on the monitor, all you'll do next is you'll drag it and drop it into the desktop, whether it's a USB. Thumb drive is going to be the easiest way to just plug in, click and drag onto the desktop. But for here, what I have here is a .mov, which is a video. And so what I'm going to do is right click, and I'm going to go to open with Windows Media Player. So Windows Media Player is going to show up, and if you right click, you can go to show full screen, but we want to check the repeat button. So I'm going to click repeat, and then I'll click on the full screen. So now you have a full screen of just an animated pixel changing colors for this monitor here. And there you have it. Whether you're using an image or a video, you can display that onto your BeautiPad Plus monitor. If you need any more help, contact us at the support@revospin.com.